Welcome to this video on how to use categories on parts kits in DealerTeam. Parts kit categories can help organize and find items by following a three-level hierarchy: manufacturer, category, and subcategory. To begin, go to Parts Kit Categories in the app launcher and click New. First, create your top-level category. For example, you might create a category called Ford. Select the type from the list, in this case manufacturer. Click Save and New to create the supporting structure underneath the manufacturer. Let's create a category called Vehicle Upgrades and a subcategory called Interior. Once your categories are created, you'll assign them to the appropriate parts kit. Open the parts kit you want to edit. Select the appropriate manufacturer, category, and subcategory. Then click Save. Now let's look at how this helps the sales team. When working on a deal, navigate to Ads. Under Parts Kit Advanced Search, you can filter by categories. The parts kit will now appear as an available result. Using parts kit categories creates structure and consistency across your dealership. Thanks for watching.